Hello everyone, this is Aman Rathor and you are watching to my YouTube channel IT Paradigm. So in this video we are going to learn that how can we apply password in any MS Excel workbook. Obviously it is MS Excel because whenever we are talking about workbook or spreadsheet, it means we are talking about Excel because spreadsheet is the pages in Excel and a group of spreadsheet makes a workbook and they both are included in MS Excel application. So this video is basically on the encryption, like the how can we apply the password, and after that we will also be exploring the steps to remove that password. So first of all we will apply the password and then we will remove the password. So first of all we have to go on file menu. It is in here. This is file menu here. Here we get many options in the left side. We have to go through this info option. Click on it. Here we have interface like this. And here we get first option, that is protect workbook. That is what we want. Click on it and here 7 more options are here in this menu, and we have to go through this second option, encrypt with password, and below that it is written that require a password to open this workbook. Yes, that's what we want. Click on it and here is a pop-up window appears and it is asking to type a password. Let's type a password 1234. Click on OK and again re-enter the password 1234. Click on OK. Now you can see a password is required to open this workbook. It means the password is now applied, and let's check whether it is applied or not. Close this workbook. Firstly save it and then go on start Excel, and here is our workbook, and here you can see that it is asking for a password. Let's type the password 1234. Click on OK and here is our workbook. Now what are the steps to remove the password? Again go on file, then we have to go on info, again after that encrypt. So go on file here, go on info menu, and here we get this option. Again click on protect document or workbook and select this encrypt with password. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear like previously. Now you have to remove this 4 dots by pressing backspace and then OK. Now there is no password in this workbook. Now for sure you can save this workbook again by pressing Ctrl+S, and then let's close this workbook. Again when we open this Excel workbook, it is not asking for any password. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video and stay tuned for more videos like this.